Come and join me on my first visit to the Motorhome and Caravan show at the NEC in Birmingham. I'll show you around some of the vans that I liked and potentially have to go home and try and convince John that we should sign on the dotted line. I even attempt some really sketchy reviews. I was also really lucky to meet some of my biggest influencers and some of the reasons that I am now here on YouTube. I had lots of conversations, and I was lucky enough to win my tickets for the show via Motorhome Matt and his podcast. But will I be lucky on the big day again? And if you like what you see and you want to join me on my future adventures, you can subscribe by pressing the red square in the bottom corner, and you can like and comment.
Day 1 of the Motorhome and Caravan show. I don't think you can beat waking up to views like that. It's going to be a good weekend. First of all, I won my tickets thanks to Motorhome Matt. I can't wait. I'm so excited.
So here I am at the Motorhome and Caravan show 22. I've actually been here an hour and a half already. I won my tickets to come this weekend from Motorhome Matt. Apologies for the shakes. I am so starstruck. I've met loads of YouTubers this morning that I never thought I would. So this morning already I've met the fabulous Mandy from John and Mandy. We had a great conversation about our love for bodyboarding. I've met Tash from Life Beyond Bricks. I've met the amazing Michelle from Extreme Motorhoming Adventures. And I've just bumped into Lindsay from the Roaming Radfords. And the best thing was, they gave me a sticker, and it's my first. I've not got any stickers, so thank you very much for that. Okay, let's go in and see what the show has got to offer.
So I've just come inside the first van that I liked the look of. Now, I'm not looking for a new van, I like my lane. But I have thought over the next few years I might need to downgrade for something smaller once Lucy has proper flown the nest. And I have thought about the van option. This is nice.
Let's go and have a look what the Elddis stand has got to offer.
One of the reasons I bought a lane was for the rear lounge and the dining area, because I regularly work away and I wanted to separate my work life from my chilling out life. This is an Accordo, and it's nice. It's a nice compressed. So it's an Accordo 135, and it's a nice compressed version of mine.
This van's been quite popular on YouTube, the Hymer Venture S. It's got a pop-up top. It's a motorhome but with a pop-up top. I'm having a moment. I forgot what I was doing. It was 10 to go and see Cat Wandering Bird on the Inspiration Theatre, and I forgot it's 10:30, so I'm just rushing through now to see if I can get there in time to see her. Made it.
Totally free, and we enjoyed staying there immensely. We also got to stand here at Glacier, which is something I'd never done before. That was.
Lane is a Brown Hills special evolution. So I've just had a look round the 196, which is the comparative to what she is. So I've come to IH Motorhomes because they're actually my nearest dealer, about 3 miles away from where I live. Now, I'm probably going to be controversial here, and Lucy would roll her eyes at me. I worry about the decals on these cupboards and how quickly they might date.
So apologies, I've just been speaking to the salesman, and you can have them tailor-made, so you don't have to have the decals on, which is good. You can choose your own fabric, so it's all made to measure. But I do love how big these drawers are in the storage. That's a good idea. So the great thing about the motorhome show is your parking is included, and we can see a lane there. I'm heading back for some lunch because this is exhausting. It's really busy, and I have a thing about eating out by myself, so I do tend to take myself back to the van. Oh, you can see my neighbours have gone back as well, so I'm not just the only one. I've spent all morning looking around motorhomes, and I've seen a few good ones. Now it's time to hit the accessories and gadgets. I've had my shower speed coated, and I can thoroughly recommend it. It just provides that bit more assurance. Oh, are you as lucky as me?
No.
Oh, that is a good spin. Is it gonna win? Is it gonna win? Woo! Oh, nearly. I don't know about you, but the front of that motorhome reminds me of that beluga whale. You know, the aeroplane that they call a beluga whale. It's always worth asking about the deals. I asked about the Caravan and Motorhome Club this week, and they are offering a free night if you join up today at any club site. Now I found my stand. Here we go, look. There we go. Wine by the box. I've had a little sample. They've been really helpful on the stand here. Here's the Camping and Caravanning Club. They've been doing talks all day, and if you remember, you can actually go and sit in the members only area and have a free cup of tea or coffee, which is what I did. We didn't get to our original plan when we went to France, but I think this might have to be next year's plan, where we go to La Rochelle and the Vendée. So for anybody that's got AXI, which I do, and we did use in France, these are Camp Here Wild, so wild style camping, and you can see they've got loads across France, and if you've got AXI, they do accept AXI, so €18, bargain. I've just been to see the Park for Night people. Now, we used Park for Night loads and loads when we were in France. It's great. You can find out all the different campsites. Now they're doing an offer. It's £15 for 2 years subscription. I've just signed up. It allows me to then search not just by the kind of pitch that I'm looking for, but it also means I can search for places where there's water nearby for a good open swim, or even possibly bodyboarding. So I've just come and sat in a Vantage van. I don't know if you can tell there's a theme today. I do like the vans. The only thing that ever puts me off is the swooshy door. Apparently they're not swooshers. They're called a sliding door. There's lots of space in this one. For 2 people though. Now this one I do like. Okay, it's a layout I've not seen before. Kitchen's at the back. I don't know if that would be an issue near the bathroom. But you've got like a middle layout. So that would then be the bed. Oh yeah, you can see the slats that pull out. Okay, yeah. You've got space above the cab. I like the finish in these. They're nice. I like Vantage. Fridge. That's not a wardrobe. So where would I hang all my ball gowns? Let's have a look. Oh, the bathroom. Nice. And bathroom. Wardrobe. So something I've never thought about is a drive-away awning. Now when I had the caravan, I used to always have an air awning, and I'd be interested to know what people's thoughts are for a motorhome, because I think I'd be on it. I think I'd struggle to even put it on the motorhome, and I've got the canopy as well, so that does. It's what every menopausal woman needs in her life. Is a Sky Max. It's warm in here. I'm done for today. It's exhausting. I've had a great day. I've met some great people. I've had brilliant fun meeting the YouTubers. Honestly, I've been absolutely I've been absolutely starstruck, but just appreciative of the time that they took to chat to me. I've got tickets, so the tickets I won through Motorhome Matt were for today and tomorrow, so I'm going to come back tomorrow. I've found out that I've got friends coming, so I'm going to meet them for a coffee and a catch up. We've not seen each other for a couple of years, and I'm not going to be doing any recording. I'm just going to enjoy myself and do the shopping that I came here for, because I've not bought anything. Oh no, I lie. I've paid for a 2-year subscription with Park for Night. Other than that, so hope you've all enjoyed following me around, and I'll see you next time.